Hi guys, are you still trying to make a 3D flip text like this editor? So don't worry, today I will teach you how to make a flipped text like this. First you need a plugin. Its name is Element 3D. Go and download it from my Discord. Watch the video till the end and you will be able to make it. So let's go to the After Effects. First, ready with your composition and add your text, and make sure to subscribe the channel for more tutorials about editing. You can use the font named by Hamston, which you can download from description. Now make a solid layer and set the color of your choice. After that, hide the text by clicking this I button. Now go to your search panel and search for element and add it to your solid layer. Now go to the custom layers, custom text and masks. Set the path 1 to your text like this. After that, click on the screen setup. Click one extrude to appear the text. As you can see, it's look like ass, but don't worry, I am here to teach you. To make it cool, first go to presets, bevels, physical, and add 3-layer bevel to your text. Now we're gonna make it beautiful, so go to the materials and then physical. Now just do what I do. Now replace the bevel 1 of your text to black gloss. After this, replace the bevel 2 with chrome and paint with gold. Now change the chrome color to red by click this icon if you want. Now we need to do some settings to look better, so first select the black gloss and click here. Now copy my settings. Now click on Chrome and again click on this button and copy my settings. And also enable bevel outside. Now click on gold and do the same things which I am doing. As you can see, our text look good, but we can make some shine in the text so it will look more good. To add shine on the text, click on the environment and choose basic 2K5. As you can see, the text is looking very good, but we are not done. We have to do a rotation and some more animations with it. To do that, click on this OK button and close the screen setup. Let's make some animation. First, go to the group 1. Then particle look and go few frames forward and make a keyframe. After that, go in the beginning and set the keyframe value to 5. Now go to multi-object and enable it. Press U on your keyboard to see the keyframes. Now go where you put your second keyframes and make keyframes of X rotation, rotation, and displace. Now go to your beginning and set the X rotation to -180. Set the rotation on 80. Set the displace on -0.06. As you can see, it's look like his text, but it's very slow. To make it faster, first select all of your keyframes and press F9 to ease them. After that, select your first keyframes and go to the graph editor and select speed graph and copy my graph to make it faster. Do the same thing with other keyframes. Enable motion blur for more smoothness. As you can see, it's looking very good, but if you want more rotation, you can simply change the X rotation value from 180 to -360 if you want. Now when your beat starts, then the text will explosion like these edits. To make like this, first go to the multi-objects and make a keyframe of scatter multi and go a few frames forward and set the value to 80. You can also add some displacement if you want. Now we need to make it faster, so first copy your keyframes and ease them, and then go to the graph editor and copy my graph as well. Adjust your text according to your choice. After that, we have to add some opacity to look better. To do that, to ahead of your solid and press T for opacity and make a keyframe where you want to rise your text, then go to the beginning and set the value to 0. Now go to the end of the solid where the animation starts and set the keyframe and copy me. Now pre-compose your layers and add deep glow and copy my settings. Now add BCC drop shadow and copy my settings as well. After that, duplicate your BCC drop shadow by pressing Ctrl+D. Now when you add your text on a clip, but it's look transparent, so don't worry, I will fix it. So first duplicate your comp, and then delete the effects of the below comp layer. If you like this tutorial, then you can support me on my shop where you will get everything to start as a beginner in After Effects. You can also buy my editing pack for beginners where you will get high-quality color corrections, zooms, text effects, and also these 3D text animations for your edits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bumping and grinding like a slow jam. It's West Side, so you know the road will bow down the